everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to connect Venmo to Apple Pay. So the first thing you need to do is download the Venmo app in your phone and then open it. After this, you have to log in your account, and once you are logged in, you have to click on this card option at the bottom, and then you will see your Venmo card. You will see your card number and your card expiry date. So you have to note all of these details. And now after this, you have to go to the Apple Wallet or Apple Pay, and once you open it, you will see this add button at the top. So simply click on that, and then this will open up this window. From here you have to click on this debit or credit card option. Click on that, and then this will show you this interface where you can scan your card and it will automatically enter the details. But you can also click on this enter card details manually to enter your card details by yourself. So simply choose any of them and then enter your card details, and your Venmo will be linked to your Apple Pay. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.